Hi, hello guys, welcome to IS Expert YouTube channel. Today we will share you the latest updated list of cabinet ministers of India. Before starting, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for latest updates. And let's begin with today's topic. Introduction. The executive body of India consists of three members: Prime Minister, Cabinet Ministers and Minister of State. According to Article 75, only the Prime Minister and ministers with the rank Cabinet Ministers are member of Union Cabinet. So, the Minister of State is not a member of Union Cabinet. He is a deputy of Cabinet Minister. So, he has to report to Cabinet Minister. The total number of ministers in Council of Ministers must not exceed 15% of total number of members of Lok Sabha. So, we all know that the total number of members in Lok Sabha is 543 and Rajya Sabha is 250, in which 238 are nominated by states and UTs and 12 are nominated by President of India. The minister must be member of Parliament. Any minister who is not a member of either of houses of Parliament for 6 consecutive months is automatically stripped of his or her ministerial post. For example, X person has given cabinet minister who is neither a member of Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. He has to elected as member of Parliament from any constituency or nominated for member of Rajya Sabha by any state. If he is not a member of Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, after 6 months his cabinet ministry will be automatically terminated. Appointment of ministers. A minister who works at pleasure of President is appointed by President on advice of Prime Minister. So, please remember, the ministers are appointed by President on advice of Honorable Prime Minister. And there are many scenarios for removal of ministers. One is death of minister. Second one is self-resignation of minister. Third, dismissal from party. 4, direction by judiciary committee if he convicted any crime. 5th one, ceasing eligibility for cabinet ministry, that is, he has to be a member of Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. And 6th and final one is failing vote of confidence. We all know that if a government fails to attain vote of confidence, then Prime Minister and his Council of Ministers has to resign. These are the scenarios for removal of cabinet minister. Here is the list of cabinet ministers of India. Narendra Modi, the Honorable Prime Minister. He also holds a portfolio of Minister of Personal, Public Grievance and Pensions. And he also holds Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space. Rajnath Singh, he is a Minister of Defense. Subramanyam Jaishankar, Minister of External Affairs. Amit Shah, the Minister of Home Affairs, and he is also a Minister of newly created Ministry of Cooperation. Nirmala Sitharaman, Minister of Finance and Minister of Corporate Affairs. Nitin Gadkari, Minister of Road Transport and Highways. Piyush Goyal, the Minister of Commerce and Industry, Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Minister of Textiles. Smriti Zubin Irani, the Minister of Women and Child Development. Arjun Munda, the Minister of Tribal Affairs. Kiran Rijiju, the Minister of Law and Justice. Dharmendra Pradhan, Minister of Education and Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Narendra Singh Tomar, the Minister of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Dr. Virendra Kumar, Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment. Manshukh L. Mandaviya, the Minister of Health and Family Welfare and Minister of Chemical and Fertilizers. Bhupendra Yadav, Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Ministry of Labour and Employment. Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, Minister of Minority Affairs. Mahendranath Pandey, Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises. Prahlad Joshi, Ministry of Parliament Affairs, Ministry of Coal, Ministry of Mines. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Minister of Jal Shakti. Narayan Tatu Rane, Minister of MSME, Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Purushottam Rupala, Minister of Animal Husbandry, Dairy and Fisheries. Ashwini Vaishnav, Minister of Railways, Minister of Communication, Minister of Electronics and Information Technology. Sarabananda Sonowal, Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways and Ministry of Ayush. Giriraj Singh, Minister of Rural Development and Minister of Panchayati Raj. Jyotir Aditya Scindia, Minister of Civil Aviation. Ramachandra Prasad Singh, Minister of Steel. Pashupati Kumar Paras, Minister of Food Processing Industry. Rajkumar Singh, Minister of Power and Minister of New and Renewable Energy. Hardeep Singh Puri, Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gases, Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs. Kishan Reddy, the Minister of Culture, Minister of Tourism, Minister of Development of North Eastern Region. Anurag Thakur, Minister of Information and Broadcasting and Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports. These are the list of updated Cabinet Ministers of India. If you are looking for PDF, you can download it from description section. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.